Hello my family, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple dessert. So follow me on how we are going to make it. We are going to use biscuits, corn flour, butter, milk, chocolate, bananas, sugar and cocoa. That's what we are going to use in our recipe for today. So follow me on how we are going to do. So I'll begin with crushing the biscuits. I will add 2 tablespoons of cocoa. We have here 110 grams of butter that I'm going to melt. So I'm going to add our melted butter. I'll give it a nice mix. I will add 1 tablespoon of peanut. I'll transfer our mixture into the pan. We shall put our mixture in the freezer. I peel the bananas. Okay, I'll add 160 grams of sugar. ,40 grams of cornstarch. I'm going to heat our mixture until it gets thick. I'll then add the cream. I'll put it back in the fridge for half an hour. I'll add some milk to the chocolate, then go and heat it. Adding chocolate. I'm not going to put it in the fridge for more than 2 hours. Then our cake will be ready to be eaten. Our cake is now ready. I'm just going to open and cut it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have been following me up to now, that means you've liked that video. Just don't forget to like and subscribe.